Key Security Systems presents a PowerMaster tutorial video. How to add or delete a keyfob. To add a new fob, press the next button until User Settings appears. Then press the OK button.
Please enter code.
Enter your master code. Press the next button until Keyfobs is displayed. And press OK. The display will then read Add a new keyfob. Press OK. Now press the star key on your new keyfob and hold it down until an amber light appears at the top of the keyfob. Release the button, and the device will be enrolled. You will hear confirmation beeps from the panel. To exit the menu, press the lock padlock button on the keypad, followed by OK.
This on. Ready to on.
The keyfob has now been successfully enrolled and can now be used. To delete a keyfob, press the next button until User Settings appears. Then press the OK button.
Please enter code.
Enter your master code. Press the next button again until Keyfobs is displayed. And press OK. Press the next button until you see Delete Keyfobs. And press the OK button. Keyfob 1 is displayed. You can use the next button to choose a keyfob you wish to delete. Press OK. And then press the Unlock Padlock button to confirm. If you do not know which fob you wish to delete, you will need to delete all fobs and re-enroll the ones you require, using the process at the start of this video. When you have completed your changes, press the Close Padlock button, followed by OK to exit the programming.
This on. Ready to on.
To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecuritysystemsltd.com.